Ooh, thunderstorm. Oh, look at this. Oof. Oh, look at all this crap I've got to deal with here that I still got to clean up. And look at this. Ooh. Oof. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Freaking mess. Oh, too much shit. Too much crap. There's my taco cart over there. Look at this. Woo! Look at this. I got prop boxes all over here. I got. Ooh, this table fell. Hold on. I got shit all over. Look at this. I got stuff. I got too much stuff. Like George Carlin says, way too much stuff. I gotta. What the hell am I doing out here? Actually, I'm cooling off. It's a nice wet. Hey Benji, what's happening? Of course, watching football in the man cave. Hungary takes on Portugal. I can't believe it. I'll see you guys later. Ooh. See?